ginger tea. This is real ginger with some lemon and a little bit of honey and hot water. I start my day with this. How do you start your day? What do you start your day with? Being in business, every day you are in business, your question should be, whom can I serve? Not who needs my business. No. When you're in business, you are all about serving people. Any business that doesn't serve wouldn't last. And by serving, I mean by adding value. You have to cultivate the habit of adding value. That's when you serve. When you think about the US Army, the US Navy, and other special forces out there, what do? They live their life, pack their bags, and go to war for the country. Think about your service as a police force. Think about it as a firefighting force. Think about it as the US Army. What do these three categories have in common? Before they go into action, they have to train, and they have to be resilient. They have to be persistent, and they have to persevere. Perseverance in business doesn't go naturally. And this is from personal experience. Sometimes I stay up because I've just started my business, I've just started growing it. And I have to stay up till wee hours of the morning. I don't do that all the time. No, because I need my full 8 hours of sleep. But no, I don't get 8 hours of sleep all the time. But I've cultivated a habit that when I do need to work those extra 6-7 hours during the night and not sleep sometimes, I do it. I don't create an excuse. I go ahead and do it. That's perseverance. You need to do what you need to do in order to serve your customers. So if you promise your customer that your delivery timeline is between 6 to 14 days, make sure the product is arriving 6 to 14 days. Don't let it be 1 month later. No one's going to trust you and come back to you for business. When you look for people to serve in your business, look for people that needs that product or service, not that wants it. Because a person that wants something, if they find an alternative, they would go with that. Look at Apple. The true Apple fans would never switch it for Android. Now, if you give them $1 billion, they probably will. But if they're spending their own money, the first place they go is the Apple Store or the Apple website to check out what Apple has. When you're serving, prepare yourself and your team to serve your customers. Prepare yourself to answer questions that customers will have. Prepare yourself to go the extra mile to make the customer happy. They say the customer is always right. Yes. But you don't want them to be always right. You want them to be confident that when they come to you, there is no errors. You will always provide a quality service. That's what you want. Because at that point, It doesn't matter if the customer is always right. They know what to expect. So it's not about right or wrong. It's just about being confident that going to Apple and getting the best quality product. That's the way to serve your customers. Implement this. I hope this has been helpful. Till next time. Bye-bye.